right, so I get a lot of requests, and this request has actually come in quite a few times, and I was surprised because a couple people really wanted it. So this is a song by Eric Clapton. It's called Wonderful Tonight, and it is a great song to play, so I want to kind of show you the simplistic version of how I play it. Now, it's not necessarily how Eric Clapton plays it, or anybody else for that matter, but generally speaking, this is how it goes. It's a G, so strum that G. You're going to know the G, so go ahead and strum through it. A D, a C, back to a D, and finally to a G. Now there is another part in there, which is the E minor, that we'll show you in here. But the general feel of this is such an easy one. So it's 4 chords the way I play it, and I think it should work for you. So let's see what it sounds like. If you put this together, it's not such a strumming pattern as it is a picking pattern. So you can strum down, but randomly pick the string. So listen. It just is that mode. You want to feel that kind of temperature of the song because it's a love song. It really is. So it's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long, long hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? I say, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone stops to see this beautiful lady who's hanging around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? I say, my darling, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because of all the love light in your eyes and the beauty of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Now, I know the words aren't exactly right, but this gives you the idea of how the song is played, the cadence of it, the gentle notes that you're going to be playing, and you can strum or pick. It's time to go home now. I've got a naked hand. I give her my car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? I say, my darling, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because of all the love light in your eyes and the beauty of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. End it how you want, start it how you want, put the lyrics in how you want, but Wonderful Tonight is a wonderful song to play. I hope you can get as much enjoyment out of that song as I do because it's a fun song just to kind of keep the crowd a little mellow before you go into something really crazy. So, Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton, 4 simple chords. It doesn't get much easier than that. If you like this song and others, please subscribe below, share it with some friends, leave me some information down below just so I can hear what your thoughts are on some of these songs and some of the things you're seeing here on my YouTube channel. I'm having fun with it and I hope you are too, because the one thing I'll keep telling you about playing guitar, it's all about having fun. Just have fun and everybody's going to be fine. So, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lesson. And, well, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.